So we got a little after dinner action going on in the mosh pit. Everybody's feeling kind of spunky. We all went into our little separate place over there and peed. And then we came back in here and Mommy fed us. And now we're playing. Now we're playing. There's First Lady. Hi, sweetie. Oh, and look at these boys tumbling around, barking at each other. Oh, somebody fell over. Red Dog's in there mixing it up. There goes Mosey. There he goes. He's on the hunt. He's running underneath Sneaker. Oh, and here comes First Lady. She's getting after Red Dog. She's getting after everybody. That's First Lady. And Mosey said, where'd everybody go? Wait a minute, they were here a minute ago. Oh, here they are. Some of them are able to get over this little rise into the potty pen. Not that they always go. I'm trying to encourage them to go. Red Dog's trying to read the writing on the side of the nest. Oh, running. There's your racing prospect there, racing around the nest. Who's that? Who is that? With all those little 4 white shoes. Come here, you. Come here, you. Who are you? Oh, I should have known. I should have known. It's First Lady. She's always at the head of the pack. You can see things are getting kind of busy around here. Although we're still not very coordinated. Somebody's thinking about going over. Mosey's thinking about it. Clocker says no. There's Clocker. You see they're doing lots of running around. Quite a bit of playing. Red Dog's reading. He has his own agenda. That's First Lady right there. She's got the little white on her nose and the 4 white paws. Whoa. She says, you want to play, Red Dog? Maybe I'll play by myself. Oh my gosh, they're going to be climbing out of this nest in no time. That's when I move out and start living in the RV out in the driveway. Anyway, I just wanted everyone to have an idea of the progress we've all made and how we play much longer time periods and sleep a lot less than we used to. There's another one reading. So this will go on for, 5 minutes, and then they'll all be asleep again. Oh, what's the matter? All right, we'll catch him again in a little while.